Ever pondered what you could do with just $100 in your pocket? Maybe turn it into $1,000, $10,000, or even $100,000. Sadly, such financial alchemy isn't part of the curriculum at school. Wouldn't it have been awesome if it were, though? Well, fear not. In today's video, I'm here to demystify the world of investing, breaking it down into simple steps even beginners can follow. After all, it was investing that helped me climb the ladder to becoming a multi-millionaire, starting with just a humble $100 or maybe even less if I'm being honest. Now, I get it. Investing can seem daunting, especially for newcomers. But by taking calculated risks, you can gradually grow your wealth over time. Everyone has a different risk tolerance, so I'm here today to walk you through how to dip your toes into the investing pool with just $100. Throughout this video, we'll explore various investment options, each with its own risk level and potential reward. And guess what? I'll be putting my money where my mouth is, investing $100 in each option so you can see exactly how it's done. First up, let's talk about the safest bet, a high-interest savings account. It's like building your financial safety net, ensuring you have funds for unexpected expenses without resorting to high-interest loans. Plus, it's a low-risk option to preserve your money's value over time. Then there's gold, often hailed as a safe haven asset. While it may not offer high returns, it serves as a hedge against inflation, safeguarding your wealth in turbulent times. If you're aiming for steady long-term growth without much hassle, consider low-cost index funds. These diversified portfolios offer exposure to a wide range of assets, allowing you to benefit from the overall market performance. For those interested in real estate without the hassle of property management, real estate investment trusts, REITs, offer a viable alternative. By investing in income-producing properties, you can earn passive income without the headaches of property ownership. Feeling a bit more adventurous? How about dabbling in individual stocks? While riskier, picking the right companies can lead to substantial gains provided you do your homework. Now, let's venture into riskier territory. Cryptocurrency. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple. The possibilities are endless. Just remember, with great potential rewards come equally great risks. Proceed with caution. And finally, the lottery, a game of chance with slim odds of winning. While it may seem enticing, the reality is that most players end up losing more than they win. Consider it more of a gamble than a sound investment strategy. So there you have it, a breakdown of various investment options, each with its own set of risks and rewards. Remember, investing is a journey, not a sprint. Take your time, do your research, and always invest within your means. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content on growing your wealth. And who knows, maybe we'll revisit these investments in a future video to see how they've fared over time. Until then, happy investing. Like, comment, and subscribe.